Who is this person? Is he here?
Walking. No, he had to go.
Walking on this car specifically?
Yes. He stopped in the other day, saw it, liked it. He was like, the black with blue with reds, throwing me off. By the time we were done with test driving and everything, he's like,
well, hey, it's a convertible.
That's what I told him.
Keep the top down, brother, if it bothers you, yeah.
Yeah. The only thing is the red seats, actually. He's like, I don't know if I care for the red seats. So
They're fun. Come on.
He preferred beige and browns, not blacks.
Well, it's a hell of a deal.
He looked at Audi A5s and BMW 440i's already. The BMW's too stiff. It's nice power, but stiff. And the Audi, he says, not enough power for him. What
all right.
Nice ride.
Yeah.
So the 450 he actually liked a lot.
Perfect. Let me see if we have any new car incentives on it. Oh, we do. How about that?
Attorney, but he said he's not part of the ABA.
Yeah, most of them aren't. All right. Well, between contribution from us and the Amex, we're pretty much 15K off. Said he wants to finance it or just pay cash?
Finance.
Does he have a trade or anything?
No, he's giving his car to his son. He said he has a 2012. He was like, he's probably not worth much.
Any down payments?
10,000 down. The incentivized rate would be 7.49.
That's just the generic rate. Now, I don't know that every lender will treat it as a new car still. Like Mercedes-Benz is still calling it a new car for one more month. But, if I call it into Huntington, for example, they may no longer recognize it as a new car.
Okay.
But we can try. Between the discount and the money down, I'm confident that he's going to get a better rate than this, unless he's got something funny going on with his credit.
The credit union had him at 7.49.
I mean, credit unions are usually lower than that, so maybe he's got some funny stuff going on with his credit. But
well, he said the credit union was being funny. So I don't know if it's just them or him.
Okay.
Which side it's on, but.
Well, same spiel that we give to everybody applies, which is that's the generic rate. Pick a term, pick a down payment. We'll submit it, and we're going to do everything we can to get you a lower rate than that. If your credit is good, and especially based on the structure of the deal, massive discount on a car that we can still consider new, and you've got money down, I see no reason that you're not going to get a much better rate unless you've got some glaring, like maybe a bankruptcy recently or something,
Looks good to me.
I've been surprised before, but I think we're going to be all right.
Yeah.
So let's lock it up, baby. Come on. This is a super, super nice car.
That was the other thing. I showed him CLEs. So he get similar engine, different interior, exterior. You lose a little bit of space, which he was like, the back seats aren't huge. He said, but it's nice, convenience-wise.
I love the new CLE. It's great. It is a little smaller and a little bit less plush than the E-Class.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
That one's loaded.
Yeah, exactly. Because the new CLE is really meant to kind of combine the C and the E.
Yeah.
The last of a dying breed. He needs to snatch it up.
That's what I told him.
All right.
All right,
All right, give me good news, baby. Come on.